Okay, well, let's have a look on the other parameters. So here we have n. N is in fact the number of model points that will be used for describing the cell. I can increase this number by setting 32, and as you can see we have now 32 dots to describe our cell. So our model is much more closer to the actual shape of the cell. Of course, increasing the number of model will make the model more accurate in the shape, but it will also cost more time to track, and maybe also introduce some instabilities, because each triangle used here is more thinner than the previous one. So I will get back to 16 here, and 16 is a good number for this kind of cell size. The two following number here are in fact the weight, the relative weight used to move the center with respect to all the halo point and soma point. Okay, if I increase the halo exponent here, I can give more weight to the halo. If I increase soma here, I can give more weight to the inner part of the cell. For instance, I can diminish this value by 0, and by putting this value to 0, in fact, the cell model will not be influenced by the inside of the cell. Okay, this is not a good idea, because we are looking for something which is bright outside and dark inside. So I will put back some weight inside. Okay, as you can see, the white point corresponding to the soma are in fact contracting inside the soma itself. This is the number of iteration, and if I limit the number of iteration, sometimes the model has not time in fact to converge towards the inside the soma of the cell. And as you can see, I will start from here, and the model just stop here after 3 iterations. If I put 20 iteration starting from the same point, you can see that the model in fact has the time to converge toward the point. So 20 is a good thing. Here you can see the model is in fact progressing from the tail of the cell toward the soma. And the following two attributes here are in fact the radius, the default radius of the searching area for the cell. And so if you have very big cells, maybe you can increase this value, and on the contrary, if your cells are much more small, you have to diminish these values. Okay, okay, that's it. Let's stop here.